Hello, Cambridge class. For the next few weeks, Mrs. Callaghan and I would like you to think about a class project based on the Amazon rainforest. So you can do anything you like, really, to show us what you've been finding out about the Amazon rainforest. Here are some suggestions. So you might like to find out about the trees that grow in the rainforest, because they grow in distinct layers, and it's quite interesting to find out about the trees and how they grow. You might want to find out more about the features of rivers and how they apply to the Amazon River. You might like to find out about the weather in the Amazon, or the wildlife in the Amazon, or what it's like to live in the Amazon, so food and medicine in the Amazon. Or you might like to find out about this deforestation, the way that people are damaging the rainforest and using it for other means. Here's a picture of the Amazon rainforest with a big chunk of the trees chopped down. That's the deforestation of the trees. You can see that big chunk missing there from the Amazon rainforest. There's lots of things to find out about the Amazon, so please don't be limited just to these. These are just some suggestions. I think the vast number of living creatures in the rainforest is spectacular. That might be something to think about. When you've done your research for the Amazon and the rainforest, you might want to put it together in a presentation. So here are some possible presentation slides. You might want to make a PowerPoint presentation or a video presentation. You might want to record yourself talking about this over some pictures. You might want to make a rainforest picture and then use this as the basis for a video talk. You might want to record yourself telling us about what you've found out about the Amazon, the rainforest, and the river. But you can be creative as well. You might want to do it like this. And these are little rainforest scenes. You can see that people have used boxes and cardboard to make a little rainforest model. Sometimes they've put the animals in there. See, I can see a sloth in there, and a jaguar, and a green boa. And what can we see in here? We can see a toucan. And here the children have really thought about the layers of the trees. And here I think I see a howler monkey there. I can definitely see some butterflies on the front. So you might want to make a PowerPoint presentation. You might want to make a poster and a video. Or you might want to make a model. But you could also record what you want to say about the models too. So for your rainforest topic, you can find out about any aspect of the Amazon River and the Amazon rainforest. You can put it together as a presentation, or as a spoken presentation, or as a model. Another thing that Mrs. Callaghan and I thought you might like to enjoy is to try drawing some of the animals in the Amazon rainforest. Here are some examples of animals that are in the rainforest and they've been drawn by different children. We can see a tree frog, we can see a jaguar, we can see a toucan, and we can see, this is one of my favourites, pictures of sloths all hanging about. So this is something that you can do extra. It might be that you'd enjoy finding yourself a picture of a creature that lives in the Amazon rainforest and drawing it. As some people here, I think we've used pastels here. This is pen, and I think that's pencil crayon. This looks like it might be pastels or maybe watercolour. So whatever you've got to hand, have a go at drawing a rainforest animal. And what we'd like to be able to do is we'd like to take a photograph of your drawing and send it to us. So you'll obviously send photographs and your presentations to us. But when you've done your drawing, take a photograph. We would love to see them. And if you can take a photograph, we can print them off and put them on the wall in the classroom for when we eventually come back. So do enjoy finding out about the Amazon rainforest over the next few weeks and start sending your things to Mrs. Callahan and I. We're looking forward to seeing it in the next couple of weeks.